What's up, guys? Today we will be unboxing stress relievers and fidget toys. So I have the Super Neato, which is a bigger version of one. And let's open this. So as you can see, it's very squishy. And I really like it. Okay, this video is going to be a short one because you only have two things. And I really like this because it's very squishy and you can squeeze it and it's really nice. Okay, now let's open up this Pop It. So let's just rip this box. There, that was easy. As you can see, we have a Pop It, pretty durable, and it has these holes that you can pop, and it's really satisfying, and it makes a nice noise. Okay. So these are the two ones I got. So I like this one the best because it's a nice stress ball and it's a big Neato, and I really like it. And these are like my two ones that I have besides the fidget spinner. So yeah. And so that will be all for today's video. As always, blitz out.